Okay, so the first step in taking a radiograph is, of course, the personal protection equipment. As you can see, I just put on my thyroid shield, I'm placing my lead apron on, appropriately adjusting the size, and then placing my dosimeter near the neckline. The next step is to obtain a patient, know what you're going to be shooting for, which in this case is for abdomen, and get the proper measurements so you can set it up appropriately. Um, for the abdomen, I'm measuring in the thickest part, which in his case was his last rib since he's of normal weight. I measured at 17 and am adjusting the settings appropriately. We use digital radiography at my clinic, and we have a special technique chart that comes with it because we keep the main voltage the same and change the kilovoltage and milliamp per second. Due to his size, we put the cassette in the grid tray or bucky and place the marker in the inguinal area away from anatomical objects. We then pick up the patient. Since he's over 50 pounds, we use two people to ensure safety for both the patient and for us. We then put on gloves and turn the machine on. Once the machine is on, we collimate the light appropriately for what we are taking the radiograph of. In this case, we are shooting for an abdomen. We want to make sure that the light on the cranial end is between the xiphoid and the caudal end of the scapula, and the caudal end is right at the greater trochanter of the femur. You can also place a pad or small towel underneath the hind limbs to help create a more level radiograph. I certainly did not in this video, but I most certainly should have. And you want to be sure to create or make the exposure during expiration. And you can see here where the light is for the appropriate radiograph.